Hello everyone, and welcome to another English video with Teacher John. Today I'm going to talk about our English midterm exam, Paper 2. We have it tomorrow, and I just want to give a video to help you study. Okay, so Paper 2, what does Paper 2 focus on? Reading comprehension. That means, do you understand what you are reading? Okay, so if your student doesn't know much vocabulary, maybe they're just a beginner at reading, I just want you to try the best you can. I know maybe you won't be able to read the words, maybe you won't know the vocabulary. It's okay, just try your best. That's all I can ask. Okay, so section 1 is the noun a person, place, animal, or thing? So I'll have a sentence, and the noun will be underlined, like this. So you will have to choose, you'll have 3 choices. So let's say A is animal, B is place, C is thing. Okay, only 3 choices. So the water is cold. Water. Is water an animal? No, it's not. Is water a place? No, it's not. Is water a thing? Yes, it is. It's not alive. It is a thing. Water. The water is cold, so you would circle C. Okay, next example. We'll do a animal, B, place, thing. Okay. An alligator has many teeth. Alligator is the underlined noun. Is an alligator an animal? Yes, it is! Oh, so easy. Alright, it's the first choice. So we would just circle A. Okay, there are 20 questions just like this. These questions are not on the exam, but there will be similar questions. 20. Alright, section 2. Write the noun that names more than one. Okay, so we'll have a sentence like this, and there'll be a line for the student to write on. So we'll look at this sentence. The bottles are on my desk. What noun names more than one? I have a hint for my students who maybe have trouble reading. Look at the words. What word ends with S? What word bottles. Usually, a noun that names more than one ends with S. So my secret tip is just look for the word that ends with S. Bottles. Yep, that is the word, the noun that names more than one. So on the line, just write bottles. Good. Now let's go to the next example. I have 10 towels. Look for the word that ends with S. Towels. Is that the noun that names more than one? Yes, it is. So we'll just write towels. Just like that. Okay. How many questions like this? We have 10 questions. Okay. 10 questions in section 2. Section 3. Is it a sentence? This has 20 questions. You'll write yes or no. if you want to review the naming part and action part, I recommend you look at my YouTube video I did already. So it will be in the description below. Here it is. I review the naming part and action part in this video. Okay? So every sentence must have a naming part and it must have an action part. Okay, again, if you are just learning how to read, you can only read 3-letter words. Your vocabulary is not very big yet. Just try your best. Write yes or no. You have a 50-50 chance. Okay? But if you can read, let's go on. A computer is our first example. Is it a sentence? Well, let's see. Does it have a naming part? Yes, a computer is the naming part. Does it have an action part? Is the computer doing anything? No, it's not. So it does not have an action part. No, it is not a sentence. Okay, the next one. The cat jumped. The cat jumped. Does it have a naming part? Yes, the cat. The cat. What did the cat do? It jumped. So, does it have a naming part? Yes. Does it have an action part? Yes. Is it a sentence? Yes, it is. Okay, and our third example. Swims very fast. Does it have a naming part? Nah, I don't see one. Does it have an action part? Yeah, swims very fast. An action. Swimming. Swims. It's an action. But who or what is swimming? I don't know. It doesn't have a naming part. So no, it is not a sentence. Okay, that is section 3. There will be 20 of these. 20. Just please try your best. Okay, section 4. This is again just practicing the naming part and action part. Again, if you can't read, if your vocabulary is limited, just try your best. This test is about reading comprehension, so I'm sorry, it has to be like this. Okay, so write the words in each sentence in the correct order. Okay, so first thing, naming part, we want that to come in the beginning. So let's see. Here's a noun. Door. So we'll write door. What kind of door? A white door. So, Oh, here's the. We should probably put that in the beginning. The door. Okay. Now I recommend when you're doing this, you can just draw a line through the word after you use it. Okay? So I can't do that yet on Microsoft Word, so we'll just underline. So we have these two. So, the door, what color? Oh, white. White, I see white, so let's see. Now we have one more word left. Let's see. The door white is. Does that sound right? No, that's not right. The door is white. Okay? The door is white. Alright, so we've used all of our words and we have our correct sentence. So I just did that one a little slow. Just put the words in order. See, does it make sense? Should the be at the end of the sentence? No. Should is be at the end of a sentence? No. The is usually before a noun. So you have your noun, put the before it. If you have a color, is will always be before the color. The sky is blue. The bottle is green. Okay? Just keep this in mind. Name my is Jill. Alright, I think everyone knows my name is. My name is. So if you see anything about my and name, just put it in my name is. This should be pretty easy. My name is Jill. Okay, we've used everything. Please be careful when you're writing this. Now I have N has a capital letter right here, but now it doesn't, because it's not the first word of the sentence. Jill is someone's name, so that will be capitalized. Okay? Now this one, unfortunately, I don't have any tricks. You just have to recognize the sentence and put it in the correct order. Okay? So I tried to make these sentences pretty easy, but if you don't know, just try your best, okay? Alright, so that's my review for English Paper 2. I hope it's helpful, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!